Hi, this is Mary from Aqua Vapor, and today I'm going to go over what comes in your mini starter kit. One of the first things that you're going to find when you open it up is your user manual. Very important before using our product, make sure that you read this all the way through, front and back. Lots of helpful things for you in here. When you open your kit, you're going to get one battery, one atomizer. I'm demonstrating on the Pro model. You're going to screw your atomizer onto your battery. And then you're going to get a box of cartridges. You're going to open one of your cartridges, and the end with the cotton, you're going to fit right into your atomizer. They come pre-filled, so you can go ahead and start to vape with them. You're also going to get your charger. It's a USB charger. To charge your battery, you're going to plug your charger into a USB port. And the light on your charger is going to be green. Now you're going to untake your atomizer off of your battery and screw your battery into the charger. Now you never want to charge your battery until it's completely dead, so before you charge it, wait until the light on the end starts to blink. As soon as you hit it 10 times, that means it's ready to charge. When you plug it into your charger, the light's going to be red, and then when your battery's done charging, it's going to turn green again, like so. In your kit, you're also going to get a carrying case. In your case, you'll find one side has the slots that you can fit inside of it. You can fit your battery, your atomizer. Also, there's a slot for a cartomizer if you get that as well, and another extra space for another battery. You're also going to get a bottle of e-liquid. The one that I'm using right now is the RY4, and it's my absolute favorite. It's the Caramel Almond Tobacco Blend. To fill your cartomizer, or your cartridge, you're going to take it off the atomizer. You're going to open up your bottle of liquid, and you're going to put about 3 or 4 drops at a time. Just make sure that you're saturating the cotton all the way whenever you do. You're just going to drip it right onto it, and then fit it back in your atomizer. Put your atomizer back on your battery, and you'll be good to go. If you have any other questions, you can give us a call at 404-380-1596.